Hi everyone, welcome back. Before I start painting, well, I will be painting anyway, but I need to tell you something. Today, just now, I wrote a newsletter where I basically admitted that I needed, well, a tiny emotional boost, just a little sprinkle of encouragement to finish this YouTube video like a functional adult. I said you could send me a simple "Go Rinske" and I would pretend it came with a confetti cannon. And you guys, you showed up for me. My inbox turned into a stadium. I had cheerleaders, pep talks, people believing in me more than they believe in their own Wi-Fi connection. It's been incredible. So if you are one of those lovely humans who replied to that email, just know you are sitting on my shoulder while I'm making this voiceover, whispering, "You've got this." And honestly, that was the motivation what I needed, because I have big news. I have a brand new course coming out and it's called Botanical Brushstroke Mastery. It's coming out this Tuesday on December 9th, and I'm so excited about this one because it's different from anything I've ever made. This is a hands-on course, not a watch me paint while you hope your hand magically understands what I'm doing course. No, this one actually trains your brush hand. You will get the full practice sheet with real size outlines of every brushstroke I use in my botanical paintings, and you paint with me, brushstroke by brushstroke. It's active, it's fun, it's an experience, and honestly, it's the closest thing to me standing behind you saying, "Oh no, lighter pressure, medium pressure, yeah, that." And I added something super exclusive to this course, a full real-time unedited painting session where you paint along with me exactly as I do it. No cuts, no zooms, no hiding the awkward bits, just the real process. When I make the brush stroke, how much pressure, when I wipe my brush, when I dip my brush, everything. Even just a couple of minutes of me doing nothing because I'm just thinking. So, if you want to be the first to know when this course goes live, make sure you're subscribed to my newsletter because that's where I'll drop the early link and the launch discount. And now, let's go into today's video. This is the last study painting that I'm doing in this style. I've now studied these small brush strokes enough and I will be combining them with my big botanicals. Let's just watch this video. I can't wait to finish my course, so I will be working on that and you guys will be watching this. But I hope to see you Tuesday and I hope to see you in my newsletter. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for everyone who showed up for me today.